Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to build determination in Voidpet Dungeon. To build determination in the Voidpet Dungeon, you first need to understand how its stage evolution works. Determine progresses through multiple stages, typically from stage 1 up to stage 5, and improving it relies on evolving the pet using evolution stones. Each evolution upgrades determination into a higher stage, increasing its overall strength and effectiveness. To evolve, simply select a pet and use the required evolution materials, which can change as the pet reaches higher stages. Early evolution stones can usually be obtained from treasure chests, daily rewards, missions, and various event tests. As you progress further into the dungeon, especially around higher floors like floor 160, you'll start unlocking rarer purple evolution materials needed for advanced stages. If you want to speed up the progress or the process, these materials can sometimes be purchased from the in game shop. Consistently completing missions, opening rewards chests, and progressing through dungeon floors will help you gather the resources needed to fully build determination. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.